Just wandering down the streets of Sagada. That blue building, that's us. That's where we're staying. By the way, that is a great place to stay. Residential lodge in Sagada. Cristina will do her full thumbs report on the residential lodge, but I gotta tell you, it's an awesome place. We love it there.
I don't really want to buy a t-shirt, but I have to.
Yes?
It's me wearing my sweatshirt is killing me. It's too hot.
You might notice we're dressed heavier here.
Yeah.
That's because we're
16 degrees today.
16 degrees, and down below we were in the mid 30s.
Yeah.
But we're a lot higher here. Sagada is so restful, eh, Cristina?
Homemade bread.
Just walking down here and just hanging out.
There's homemade bread there.
Oh, here's a bunch of lodging homes, places to stay. Christina's discovered homemade bread.
Yeah.
And the noise level is way down here. Very fresh here. Smells beautiful, piney, up in the mountains. Ah, feels like home. And then other things are not what we have at home. Walking up this road lined by pine tree forests and rice fields. Oh, I just flew over the rice fields with the drone. What a great view from up here. What perfect droning conditions. What a beautiful flight. Managed to fly across the valley. Ah, just a really fun day here. Walking along the road. How's that for a view? Right off the road. My gosh, just beautiful.
What is this? They didn't bother.
Nope. They just left the rock in the middle of the road.
Wow.
I think they like rocks here, Cristina. They also just carved their way through that one. That one there. left a big overhang. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Just carved under the rock. Hey guys. Made it onto the vlog.